Hey guys, it's your boy Uncle C's, and what I wanted to do is to bring you my take on what's happening in the market. This is Friday, May 13th, 2022. We out here like shout here. Nasdaq 100 is up 2%. Or Nasdaq, you got the S&P up almost to 4K, back to 4K. We were dipping, crashing yesterday in the 3850s range, coming down from a high of about 480. So it's your boy. We out here. We're looking at it. Uh, we're gonna go. Let's look at the bitcoins. What's happening with the bitcoins? I'll show you. Bitcoin did uh, get pushed down heavy with Tether, and Tether used basically Luna, which is uh, Tether is this $1 stablecoin. Okay, and you probably know that. But Luna was the reserve currency for Tether. Basically, when the Tether price dropped below $1, they would take the sell Luna. Okay, so they would mint more Luna. And so what that did is you're just basically fucking the people that own your coin. So then they coordinated attacks, selling all the way around with the Tether, and brought it down Bitcoin to like yesterday morning, I think, happened like 25K, 26K. So from now to then, we rebound to this over 30K mark, and it's looking like it could be a bottom, guys. With that in mind, keep in mind where we're coming from. Okay, so we did actually cover Bitcoin when it was in this range, 57K. Told you the market was contracting, but as you can see here, 47K, 38, and where was the support before was like over here, 38K. So if we can rebound, what was our support here? 35K. We can rebound into some of these support areas, and I can take some profits on some opportunities. Namely, I did not play Bitcoin. I purchased some ASTR contracts for January, $5, and we just had the ASTR Space Tech Expo. Nothing really new, but it was a good. I wish I was there. I could bring a barbecue. We could do barbecue, but I didn't get an invite. Anyways, it's okay. ASTR, Baba. ASTR. So we did get to the 220s range. Thinking bottom might be in, but also I think that while these are not the bottoms you're looking for, you feel me? Just like in Star Wars, they say these are not the droids you're looking for. These are not the bottoms you're looking for, okay? Because at the end of the day, you're looking for a bottom that's gonna be solid for years, bro. And this is not it. But right now, I'm drooling because you gotta make the best out of what you got. Okay, let's look at the 1 month chart. Couple weeks out was like 340 in that range. I told you guys timber. When I told you timber, what the frick happened? It fell down all the way to 222. Okay, but you feel me? Right now, where could we go? Could we go up to prior support, turn resistance? Could that work out? I don't know, but that's what I'm looking for. But we have dropped. That's just this freaking 6 months gonna make you like look at that. So we have dropped, and we have been getting more success. The company has delivered, but also they have been spending a lot of capital, you know, and they're gonna need probably some more. But it's a growth company, and my mouth is drooling. We gotta make the most out of it. But as you can see here, the volume was up. Okay, 112%. That's a theme. I'll show you before they reset it. GME was up yesterday. As you can see, it was up about 8%. But look at the volume. The volume was more up. That's exactly what I was looking for. So look at the short percentage, it's 21%. Look at RIVN. RIVN was mad. RIVN. %, folks. 18%. And another 8% in the pre-market. But look at this volume. 356% of the average volume. Look at this. The bottom very well might be in. I did add January $5 calls for Astra, and I plan on creating a spread at some point in time if we get some signs that we need to shift for momentum and create other opportunities while still maintaining upside potential by taking your cash out with a spread. But besides that, it's your boy. We're looking at opportunities. I did make a play with Amazon. I did make a play with Google. Amazon's up 2% today. But you look at this volume, 170% of the volume average. That's exactly what I'm looking for, guys. Institutions, baby. So if we look at this, here. So Amazon does have a low short, but you got to consider as 4 million shares shorted. That's gonna 20x by the time that the stock split happens. So why would the people with the shorts, you know, it doesn't really matter to them because it's the same amount of equity, but being short, you know, 4 times 20, 80 million shares of Amazon, if they're going to do any type of repurchasing, you know, I know they need the capital, they're expanding, but that's another play. I have $3,000 and $3,300 for July. I actually did sell a spread against it, so I sold some $3,400 calls against it. And so what that did was basically let me keep 80% of the premium, 80% of the total premiums paid. So I had 80% of my cash left. And what that enabled me to do is take that money and to buy back the puts that I sold when the put prices were high. And this is how I played a couple of the bottoms last week. But that goes back to what I'm saying, which is this is not the bottom these are not the bottoms you're looking for. These are bear market bottoms. And you know, obviously people are gonna cover, but a lot of people create spreads. And I mean spreads, it's really depends. Gambler's mindset, it's not good. You cannot YOLO in spreads. But at the same time, spreads enables you to control the playing field. In my opinion, humble opinion over here, it's your boy. Spreads enable you to hold on to most of your cash, and they enabled you to limit risk. So it's your boy, Uncle C. So I bought the 3,300 and sold the 3,400. So if we look at actually I sold the 3,440s. So if we look at here, what's the top? It was like 3,400. But consider that 3,400. I would have got the spread from 3,300 to 3,400, and I would have collected the premiums. So, but realistically, I'm thinking it might go to like 2,650 being conservative. trying to go up to these support levels, but I'm gonna keep an eye on it, guys. Like definitely gonna keep an eye on it. So it's your boy Uncle C's. We out here like shout here. I hope this helped. Let me know in the comments. I love you guys. Thank you. Bye bye.